everybody, my name is Happy Blonde from Puerto Rico and you're watching the YouTube channel Beautiful Women by Sonia Baloch. In today's video, you guys are going to learn how to create a nighttime smoky eye look. So go ahead and do your entire primer, foundation, your concealer, apply that powder, whether it's translucent or setting powder, do your brows, and do any other finishing touches that you guys want to do, like baking in weird places like I do, and all that kind of fun stuff. Now we're going to grab a very light gray shade and apply it on our crease, and obviously we are going to grab two darker shades after that, and we are going to apply them underneath. We're going to create that blended effect when you go from lightest to the darkest tone, obviously leaving the darkest for the outer edges of your eye because we don't want to close your eye in that much, and of course blend as much as you can. Grab those same shades and apply them to your lower lash line, but don't go all the way in because we don't want to close your eye that much. Again, leaving the darkest shade for the edges. Obviously highlight your brow bone with a very, very bright white or silvery tone. And for your lid, you can definitely apply whatever color you like. That is the beauty of this look. You can go for greens, for blues, for golds, but in today I went for a very beautiful pink shade because I think that pink and gray go great for nighttime looks, and I'm just finishing off the edges with that darkest shade and blending everything together. Now for my winged liner, I like to do very, very exaggerated winged liners. Don't worry if you don't get it right the first time. Winged liners are all about practice, practice, practice. If you'd like to apply falsies, you can definitely do that. I won't do that because my lashes are really, really long as they are, so I am just curling them and applying a thick coat of mascara to my top and my bottom lashes as well. Now for nighttime looks, I do like to bronze and contour up just a little bit, so I'm going to contour my cheekbones and I'm going to hug them with the brush to blend everything more simultaneously together, also on my forehead and my jawline to really accentuate my face, and I am going to go in with a matching blush and apply it to the apples of my cheeks. Now for nighttime looks, I believe that highlight is very, very important. That is what's going to help you pop out, bling out, look as glam as you possibly can. So first off, apply it to your cheekbones where you usually would and go ham with it. Don't worry about applying too much highlight because there's no such thing as too much highlight. Now I am going to accentuate certain parts of my face that are really going to pull the look together, sort of like the tip of my nose and the bridge of my nose, and also the inner corners of my eyes. That is going to help you so much. Applying highlight to the inner corners of your eyes is really going to make them pop, make them look bigger, and it's going to draw attention to your eye look and blend everything all together more simultaneously. And lastly, my Cupid's bow. I do love applying highlight to my Cupid's bow. It accentuates my lips, and just apply a nude shade of lipstick or a lipstick that matches your look, and voila!